They don't even teach you the rules. They've created the rules for you and told you, go play and just come back and pay our taxes. Now, here's what's so interesting. The game Monopoly was created. They dropped little clues, but we don't pay attention to it because we look at everything as entertainment. But oftentimes, art imitates reality, and we have to start learning how to decipher and have a level of discernment on how these things impact us. Because we're so focused on Lil Wayne not performing at the Super Bowl, we don't even pick up these clues. I see more grown men arguing about Lil Wayne and Kendrick performing at the Super Bowl versus them knowing the difference between debt to income ratio and debt service coverage ratio. Half the people arguing about who performing at the Super Bowl won't even be at the Super Bowl. And I'm saying it like that because we got to learn how to play within the system, not the game.